Today we are going to prepare twisted cheesy sticks, suitable for any festive occasion. First, we prepare the filling. Ingredients: 200 grams of Greek feta cheese, 280 grams of Greek-style yogurt, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1 teaspoon of dried sweet paprika, half a teaspoon of ground black pepper. Preparation: place the Greek feta cheese into a bowl and crumble it with a fork. Add the Greek-style yogurt, dried oregano, sweet paprika, and ground black pepper. Mix everything well together. Once the filling is ready, proceed with preparing the sticks. Ingredients: 1 sheet of puff pastry, 180 grams of grated cheese, 1 egg, 60 grams of sesame seeds. Preparation: roll out the puff pastry on a work surface, and cut it in half. Spread the prepared filling over the first half and sprinkle with grated cheese. Cover with the second half of the pastry and lightly roll it out with a rolling pin. Trim the uneven edges all around. Cut the dough in half and then cut into strips approximately 3 centimeters wide. Twist each strip into a spiral and place them on a baking tray lined with baking paper. Beat 1 egg, and brush each twisted stick with the egg wash. Finally, sprinkle them with the sesame seeds. Bake until golden for 15 to 17 minutes at 200 degrees. Enjoy!